Okay. I give you confidence. Ooh, that was squiggly. Yep. All right, you do you, boo. Oh, I know why. It's not like I haven't been on this road before, so who knows? Well, it took me how long to realize my tachometer changes color if I switch it over? Wow, they added a lot. Yeah, let's not be that adventurous today. I'm good. I'm hanging back some, so. Oh, we got somebody coming up from behind on the right. We got a friend coming. Oh, we have another one behind us now. And we got a guy behind us doing wheelies. And we got a guy on a dirt bike doing wheelies and shit. I might have it on camera, but he's on the wrong side of the bike to get it on footage, so. Oh yeah, crappy, more excavation paving. Yep. Well, you might get the guy on the white dirt bike doing a wheelie or two. He's out. You know, he's out fracking about, so whatever. Yep, not their mommy, not their daddy, not the 5-0, so don't care. They do what they do. Very, very, very nice. Very, very impressive, my dear. Well, you can also get an ADV version, etc., etc. But yeah, no, you can get an ADV version that's even modular too, if I remember right. They get a little expensive though. Yeah, because Portland doesn't maintain the east side of their city. They only care about the people up in the West Hills and stuff. Oh, I'm finding all the good chuck holes, I tell you. Hi. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see a brake light. But it is what it is. Yeah, 90 degrees. It's a little much. Yeah, because they never fix it right in the first place. Yeah. Actually, that's water. Yeah, I'm looking down at it. It's water right here. That little puddle. Probably from some... Yeah, the one in front of right by me. That first splat. Yeah, that's water. Probably from somebody's AC condenser in their car. It's also dripping in about the right spot, too. Reminds me I got to charge the battery in my helmet, too. Hey, Grand Cherokee. There's a scooter guy for you. Yeah, but Cherokee here sure did a good job at parking in the frickin' crosswalk, didn't they? Oh, glad he wasn't pulling up behind us. Imagine that. Oh, you would have heard me go blinky, 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 blinky. Somebody got busted up there. For what? For what? I don't know. For what? I don't care. Thank you. I gave him a wave. Boinky Boinkertons? Yeah. Good. 49 cc's of Fury, baby. Do they rock? Are they big and heavy? Oh, come on, you know I prefer heavy metal. BMW frickin' version of a Goldwing. It's probably like 30 grand. Yep, you did it good. Straight through, on to the next light. Straight through that light, and then right at the light after that. No, I really don't know the bumps any better than you do down this. Yep. This light, you want to go right. Yep, go right. If you want to take Stark, go right. Oh, my phone just went ding because Randy's sending me messages. Then again, they say the same thing about Mount Rainier, so... I think we got... Well... Well, I figured, hey honey, I figured I'd let the neighbors buy all the good expensive stuff so we get a great show. Yep, you did good. Well, whatever we're doing, tell you this much, whatever we're doing, he doesn't care because he kept going, so fine by me. Yeah, if it wasn't for the bikes, yeah, I tell you, if we weren't riding bikes, it would have been worth the money. Hey, babe, you come here often? Yeah. Ah, shade. Yeah, we don't even have Gustavs anymore. Oh yeah, I've noticed. See people do it all the time. They'll go slow as hell. Then as soon as somebody goes to pass, oh, to hell with you, that ain't happening. And they hit on the gas and you're like, what the f***? Really? But well, technically they are doing the speed limit. I noticed that too. Well, earlier they were. Well, they finally figured out they had the right turn signal on forever. Oh, it's just a Toyota Supra. They're Toyotas. Yep. That's our police department. You want to hit a shuttlecock around? That is the proper name. Hey, that is the proper name of the birdie used in badminton. It is called a shuttlecock.